Man, we've been going through a lot of bad weather out here in the DFW area. But today is sunny. It's still cold, but we over here at Summit. I'm gonna see if I can spin y'all around so y'all kind of see. Yeah, we at Summit. I'm gonna go up in here real quick and return something and pick up another order with a few parts. So y'all just stay tuned, man. So y'all can see we ready. I got the Summit Bucks. We're doing everything we can to keep a discount on these parts. So y'all stay tuned. All right, got what I came here for, but man, y'all can see, how can you not want to look around? Look at this, man. Little alternator. A lot of belts on that thing, though. I don't even know what that is. Them the valve covers that I like, though. So I know it's a Chevy something. Man, that thing look clean. They got that vintage air on display. I'm really thinking about, do I want to put an electric water pump on my car and just downsize the amount of batteries on there. Eventually I'm gonna buy one of these for the Monte Carlo when we start doing all the other stuff for the next build. It's already another build in the works. Some turbos, need some supercharged. But I don't know, man. Ain't no damn telling. Let me get up out of here, man. I'm gonna run through these motors one more time. I gotta keep pushing. Damn, they got that rose gold on that junk with the electric water pump. AFR heads. What I'm saying, a lot of them had them electric water pumps on there. Man, Buddy came through here, man of his word. They not too bad. Oh. Got a little oil leakage on them. But for $200, I'm gonna clean these hoes up. They ain't threw the bolts in for me. Locking bolts. He said he going LS. And that's eventually what I'm gonna do, but I'm working with what I got, man. I've been sitting on this motor and I just gotta make do with what I got. I'm spending more than I should to put this motor together, but it's all part of the journey. And I learned so many lessons with this one and still got more to learn. But one thing for sure, we going LS from here on out, and I'm gonna start building my own motors. Or at least have me and my friends build them. So, yep. Ain't perfect, but that get the job done. Make that other one. I'm gonna try to fire that up, and then I need to rinse some stuff off. I'm gonna put some degrease on these things real quick. Yep. Let me get to it, man, because it's already, the temps is dropping. It's cold, but ain't really nothing been going on over here. I just wanted to make sure that this one still had some juice. I probably push this back, degrease that. I just need to fire this thing up, the 450, but let me bring the other one of these in, cause it is cold in here, man. Let me grab the other one. Ain't really been nothing going on, so ain't nothing to talk about. Ain't nothing to show y'all, man. You know, I'm just doing one build at a time right now, so my channel is gonna slow down a tremendous amount because I'm just a small little one-man shop with a limited amount of money. I don't have a whole bunch of money. You know what I mean? Just be maintaining and building and maintaining and having fun. So right now I'm just putting that work in for this one. It's all for the Monte Carlo, of course. That's really why I ain't been doing nothing, because ain't nothing to do. Nothing worth watching, you know, or nothing worth me creating, because I just like the Gbody content. If y'all been watching my Instagram, y'all see I've been doing a lot more Gbody, like reposts, just interacting more with the Gbody community. And just want to do something a little different and really have something nice, something clean, something that when the person say they built it on a budget, it's like for sure. So that's what this channel is about, just doing what you can afford to do. I'm not trying to keep up with nobody else. And I think that's what's going to make my content stand out. And if you're watching the YouTube channel, man, I appreciate you. If you follow my Instagram, thank you. All the support, all the reposts, you're watching the TikTok, wherever it is that you see my content, I appreciate you. That's what I'm doing it for. And other than that, man, I'm going to get at y'all. So I didn't really film me wiping them down with Scotch Braids last night, but I got them really clean. I got them pretty clean, clean enough. That'll do. And then I got some more Summit stuff. Got some exhaust wrap, and I got those two wires. It's a red and a black down there. And there's so many gauge. And I got the bolts in there. So this is the black and red wire. I don't know how thick this stuff is. 10 gauge. And I got a red. And I don't know if it's 10 or 12. He was telling me that they're different gauges. He was talking to me about stuff that I didn't really necessarily know. Yeah, just because I want the spark plugs and stuff to look pretty good. I mean, the headers. And they're saying if it's gonna reduce the heat, that's good. And this one, 10 gauge. So yeah, I want to put this stuff right here on the headers. Oh, so that's that. Let me get in here and give it to them. And I'll put the other exhaust one, the other header out here on the ground. So that one, I didn't really wipe the other one off. I just kind of just let it be how it is. because it didn't like it showed a lot of oil. It showed more like rust. Let me go ahead and put this on the stand, and I'm gonna let y'all here in a minute. But yeah. Still happy just to see it in there. That combination gonna look good together. Barely gonna see any of the pink though from this angle. All I think about is the color scheme. How I'm gonna do this. I'm probably gonna try to get some custom decals. I'm definitely try to buff these out. Make that chrome pop more. That's all I do is think about what I'm gonna do to this car. Yep, but Frankie busy down here, man. I'm gonna show y'all the headers real quick and then I'm up out of here. So they don't look too bad together. He said we missing a bolt or two per side. They say it's no big issue. Well, I said, man, I'm learning as I go, man. Yep. Y'all stay tuned. I gotta get to doing what I do. Holler at you, Frank. Alrighty. So, oh man, he gotta do what he gotta do. And I'm out his way. I just damn. What can you do when it ain't on your time, you know? I'm on his time, so hopefully he'll get it done. I ain't got no complaints right now. I know I got all the parts. Only thing that I'm missing right now is this it's a air cleaner, pretty much, that goes on the carburetor, the breather, whatever. And other than that, is this, I want a certain one to tie that black, silver, and pink together. And I'm gonna hold out till I can get it. It's like $200, or I could go the cheap route, just do like a black one, like $40 for like an Edelbrock one, or you know, I could do a basic Chevrolet one. And, you know, so many things, there's so many ways you could do it. But you know, I want the silver one. So y'all just stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell a friend about the build. So we moving forward. Y'all just stay tuned. Hopefully we have an update here in about another 2 weeks or so. So the next video, we're just gonna go ahead and do some Banshee content, because I have nothing else to do right now. So we're gonna create some more Banshee content. So y'all stay tuned.
Like cash of the check, telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow, whoa. From racks to the riches.